How to turn breakup pain into power. Breakups often feel like the end of everything familiar. The ache is heavy, and the silence feels unbearable. Yet hidden within this pain is the chance to discover strength you never imagined. Turning breakup pain into power is about shifting focus from what was lost to what can now be built. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Accept the reality. Healing starts with facing the truth. Do not deny or escape the feelings. Accepting the pain allows you to release it instead of being trapped by it. 2. Reconnect with yourself. Relationships can blur personal identity. After separation, take time to rediscover who you are. Explore old passions, create new routines, and strengthen your independence. 3. Use pain as fuel. Pain holds energy. Rather than letting it consume you, redirect it. Exercise, learn, or create something meaningful. Each step forward turns sorrow into progress. 4. Learn from the experience. A breakup is not just an ending, it is a lesson. Reflect on what it taught you about love, boundaries, and self-worth. Lessons transform mistakes into wisdom. 5. Embrace solitude. Being alone is not weakness. Solitude gives space to think clearly, heal deeply, and grow stronger. When you can stand firm alone, future relationships become healthier. 6. Create a new vision. Set goals that excite you. Plan for the future not with fear, but with ambition. Having direction transforms heartbreak into determination. Though painful, a breakup can be the catalyst for profound growth. By accepting the reality, reconnecting with yourself, and turning lessons into wisdom, you rise stronger than before. Breakup pain into power is not just an idea, it is a path to resilience and a brighter future. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.